So just taking a quick look at Chainlink on the daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. Before we begin, go down below and sign up to BITUNIX. They're giving a 30% bonus if you deposit and trade on their platform. Deposit $1,000 and trade with a really good size and receive a $300 bonus instantly. Absolutely incredible opportunity, and definitely something that you want to go and get involved with, in my opinion. Get that free bonus, free money, so you can come and trade these conditions. As we can see right now, Chainlink in a bit of a weird spot. Obviously, Chainlink here basically just looking like it's been absolutely took for a ride by exchanges, and definitely, in my opinion, manipulated. We've formed this daily fair value gap here that we can potentially come up and close above. This potentially could be a good trade if we reshape out of this area like this. Right now, Chainlink basically just looking like it's been manipulated by exchanges. If you look at the hourly time frame here, you can see an unbelievably huge scammy wick to the downside, where really we should have dropped. If you look at the altcoin basket, we should have dropped around 25-30% for Chainlink, which is where we came back to, but not before we had this 70% wick to the downside, liquidating probably 3, 4, 5 years worth of liquidity of longs out of the market. People that have been basically nursing a long position for all this time, or getting into positions anywhere throughout this area, were all liquidated. Billions and billions, tens of billions, maybe hundreds of billions of dollars wiped out of the altcoin market in leverage long positions. There's definitely going to be blood on the hands of these exchanges that thought that they could probably take this liquidity and have no one complain about it. But I think there's going to be people coming after these exchanges, Binance and Coinbase in particular, in a big way, because realistically we shouldn't have dropped this much only to instantly recover to the upside. Pretty obvious to me that we were supposed to just drop to here and then recover slowly. As you can see, we're pretty much almost fully recovered for most of our cryptos now, to be honest. But these huge scammy wicks to the downside, I think the exchanges allowed this to happen, or they orchestrated this to happen so that they could grab everyone's liquidity. You can see here Chainlink came down, smashed through all these levels, bounced at this Fibonacci level pretty much perfectly, came all the way back up, and as you can see, ended up being only down around 25% on the daily candle, and has been recovering ever since. Within the space of an hour this was over, but it looks like to me this was pure manipulation to steal liquidity out of the market. And right now, Chainlink in a spot where it basically looks like realistically it should have just had a little bit of a dump, in line with Bitcoin dropping 10%. You get your altcoins dropping 20-30%, bouncing back to the upside here into the 0.618 Fibonacci here, and right now just looking, you know, like it's had a little bit of a drop, a little bit of a recovery. But overall, I think big manipulation in the markets in general. We're going to have to wait and see where we go next, because right now Chainlink looking like it could start coming down, to be honest, but it all depends on Bitcoin. Right now I think people are still taking in what's happened. Let's see what happens next. As always, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.